Okay, let's talk about Gremlins, shall we? So you get to the track, you get all your electronics set up, and then guess what? Nothing's working. The solo storm won't pick up the GPS point. The GoPro is acting like it's dying every time you touch it. And you're like, wait a minute, I just charged the battery for 24 hours the night before the race. And yet nothing works. You get up to the line, you press the button, and the GoPro tells you, I'm powering off. And you're like, why? How? I don't get it. One thing I've learned is that I'm a one person team most of the times. I can't have this. I can't, you got to focus on what you're really there to do. In autocross, it's to get the perfect run. So drop the technology, let it go. Because guess what? It's going to keep doing what it's going to do. The Gremlins are fierce, my friends. They're just going to keep playing. I mean, look at this video. I thought my camera wasn't working. And then my phone was at 99% full when I dumped it and dumped it and dumped it. So it wouldn't hook up to the GoPro and I can't watch my runs. And see, listen to my voice. This is all of us at the track trying to deal with this. So let it go. Push the technology to the side and do what you're there to do. Get behind the wheel and drive. Focus. Because that's what matters most, is what's on course. Yes, technology is great. I love live timing. It helps me improve my runs. I love my video. I can see, I'm like, wow, I'm really slow through there. I need to pick it up. Wow, I thought I was fast there, but seriously, no. Technology is great, but technology can have grounds, and when they do, set it to the side and go do your runs. That's my tip. That's what I do, and I hope it helps you too. Until next time, bye.